seen 3 neurologists. I've had nerve conduction studies of my whole body from head to toe. I've had brain MRIs, spinal MRIs, x-rays, you name it, blood tests, and no one could figure out what was wrong with me. Within the first, I don't know, 2 minutes, he walked right in after I did a PSSD test, and he walked right in and said, "I'm 90% sure I know what's wrong with you," which I did not expect. And then he examined me and he says, "Okay, I'm 95% sure I know what's wrong with you, and I'm 95% sure that I can help you." He knows every part of the anatomy of nerves. It's unbelievable. He's a brilliant, brilliant doctor.
I watched all of his videos on YouTube just as she did, and it's the same person you see in the video. He's genuine. He doesn't leave the room until every question's been answered, and this day and age, I was highly impressed by that. I could tell that she had relief because she pretty much sobbed the whole way back to Iowa that day. And,
I was bawling.
And she had hope again.
Kandi happens to be one of those patients who develops a lot of scar tissue, squeezing on the nerve again and causing a lot of the discomfort she was having. And so it took a while to get through that scar tissue without injuring the blood vessels or the nerves, and to decompress that nerve. It was a fairly extensive amount of work that we had to do between getting rid of the scar tissue and then also taking all of the pressure and off the nerves in the bottom of the foot in order to unkink them so that they would start working the way that they should.
I prayed to God and I just said, if you can just take away my pain, I can deal with anything else. And so whatever it's going to be, it's going to be. And he took away my pain. Yeah. I got what I prayed for.
We're very thankful for the opportunity to take care of patients like Kandi, to be able to offer hope to people who have lost that hope.
I'm just so grateful. I'm beyond grateful. It's an answered prayer. A prayer upon prayer upon prayer of me, Craig, our entire family.